What the f though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Amber Victoria, back in this thing with another video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new. This video is going to be really quick, a simple how to style your passion twist. I have them pulled back right now, but I've had my passion twist in for like a month now, so they do look a little raggedy at this point, but I still wanted to do this video. When I first got them done, I just used to wear them down all the time because it was just so cute down, but as they started to get a little raggedy, I had to switch it up. I got a few styles for you ladies since passion twists are in now, honey. So this is gonna be quick, easy, trendy, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I am currently over here getting ready for bed, and I just freaking realized, like I forgot to show y'all something. So here I am adding this clip at the end to show y'all these growth oil that I use while I have my passion twist in. Check it out. The main choice growth oil is closed right now, by the way. So I like to use this in my parts while I have my twist in, to reduce like dandruff and revitalize my scalp and help it grow and reduce shedding and all that good stuff. Okay, so just wanted to tell y'all that or the wild growth oil I think would be really good. But yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to sleep.